for a while, and then we get fucking some people. That's the LS swap guru right there. LS guide. I ain't got no fucking viewers, but that's cool. I'm gonna record this shit live anyway. That's what we gonna do. We about to start this bitch up. First start. Let's see what happens. Let's just hope I don't look stupid in front of everybody.
It's gonna start. We got fuel now.
Finally got this bitch. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, it looked like shit, but we gonna do that later. We gonna get all that shit cleaned up later. But let's see what we got. We got this shit. I pulled it off that son bitch. That's the daily, the piece of shit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, let's go ahead and see. That's what real horsepower look like.
This that real horsepower.
What y'all know about that? See? The 396. Then we got the homies, you know. Got his daily, the LS swap. All right, we got this piece of shit. Been kicking my ass for the last 2 years, but it's cool. We getting there. We getting there. All right. So I'm gonna pass the phone off to the God himself.
All right, let's see what we got going on, man.
First start.
All right. Let me see real quick. Turn the ignition on. Yeah, you got fuel. All right, yeah, go ahead and try to start and see what happens.
Hey! There it goes.